Hi. Can I please just cash my checks today?
I'll be right back.
Thank you. I gotta make one other stop. I'm at the bank right now. Then I gotta make a stop at Best Buy and get my memory card. And then I'm gonna go to the fabric store. Then I'm gonna come back. Oh, and I have to purchase the room. Hundreds and fifties. Big. So I believe, I do. I got one other firework. My eye is bugging right now. I had to put the filter on because your girl just woke up in the hot box, mind you. But I'm good. I planned on coming out tonight and getting this done for myself. Yeah. So, and my girl just came back from Puerto Rico. My neighbor, she just came back. So I'm gonna see if she can pop out with us. I got like this really cool idea I've been having on my dome since I came back from Mass. So I'm like, let's just try this out. So guys, I just missed the train. And this guy is going so slow. Like, go ahead, take up the whole road, why don't you? I'm over here counting my bread, and he want to take forever. Like, it's a public road. I'm just playing. But I just got finished coming from the first two stores that I needed to go visit. Now I'm on my way to the fabric store, and I just had another idea. I think I want to get some smoke bombs for the angles that I see in my head. Let's get some pop smoke. So I'm probably gonna run to one of the liquor stores out here on the Black Horse Pike out here in Atlantic County. He got all the fireworks. He gave me the hookup. I'm gonna go there, and then I still gotta get the fucking rum.
Roadkill. Come on, motherfucker! Shit. Wasting my damn time. Just music.
Hey guys, what's up YouTube? This is Arose'C vid diary. I'm out here today. It's freaking 99 degrees out here. It's hot as hell. I woke up in a hot box because last night I got cold, so I turned the air conditioner off, and I just happened to wake up to the wall steaming. So I'm out here. I'm attempting to go to the fabric store right now because I want to show you guys how I'm about to put my video together for one of my songs that I had did. I want to do a video tonight. I'm going to the fabric store so I can get a couple little trinkets and little props that I need from the video. And then come back, probably put some rollers in my hair so I could just set up for makeup and then outfits later. Get the girls together so they can come out and support, and then just get that camera rolling. Hopefully I can have one of them just record the whole shoot on how I freaking, switch up different locations and put my scenes together. Yeah, that's cool. I'm in the car right now. I had to hurry up and get out of the freaking sun and park in the shade, something, help myself out. I was a little Porsche there. Got me some cranberry juice. I got me some water. Stay hydrated this summer, you guys. I'm at Joann's right now, so I'm about to walk in there. Come with me, come with me. So hot out here. So my sister's birthday is officially in 3 days. She got lucky, it's on a Friday. I think mine's on a Monday. I just need some ribbon. I wrote my my stuff down so I don't forget it. How you doing? It smells like glue in here. Let me see. Maybe I might be able to find something really cheap. I just like really fast. Off the head, I just thought of something. Let me see. I think it's some type of fabric. But I need something that looks like foil. I'm gonna look around. Stuff I got, guys. I'm about to have a field day when I get home.
So what are you playing?
I'm about to do a video for my music.
Okay.
And I got like something on our dome, like a quick idea. I'm just gonna wrap this fabric around me and jump in the pool. Put all glitter on me. Like, what's not better than that?
Yo, what kind of music you do?
I do. Okay, guys. It's so dangerous to drive and vlog. But who does it better than Arose'C? No one, no one. I'm gonna get it done. And I'm having fun in the process. That was really sweet. The guy in the fabric store, there's a stop sign. Wait, wait, wait. He was so intrigued by my purchases. I think he's just trying to holler. But I take support whenever it's friendly and very kind and direct. So I gave him my Instagram. And maybe I might give him my YouTube too. But, you know, I thought that was what's up. It takes really humbleness to be a sexy man working at the fabric store. He probably got a game right now. Like, this is where all the bitches come. All the bad bitches. All the bad. What's up, y'all? Okay, so I just got finished running all around. As you'll see, I just came from like 5 different freaking stores. I went to Burger King and got me a burger. Juicy girl problems. I did forget one thing though. I need to get spray paint. And how can I forget? I need to get a can of hairspray, a big can of hairspray. I got an idea. I wanna know if the reaction still acts the same. I want to know if the reaction is still. I want to know if the effect is the same when you spray aerosol over a flame. I think that would be really kind of cool to capture. Then I need to go to Home Depot, but that's right up the street. I'm gonna do that. Let me book this room. I gotta book the room just real quick. I could wait, but like I wanna start editing now, cause I done called like 5 people, ain't nobody around. So I'm just gonna have fun with myself. In the meantime, and eat this burger. Go on. Okay, guys, so I officially just left the beach where we just tried to do one shot, and I might have waited too long. It's kind of dark, so he wasn't really able to see me on the rocks, but it was like the perfect shot. I could have got on the rocks, so I'm gonna go somewhere else and try to get another shot before the night is over, because it'd be pretty much kind of like a waste of time getting dressed and doing the whole makeup and hair thing. I did curl my hair a little bit, but it's so hot outside that it dropped. I had my outfit on. I still got my shoes on, so it's not much. But, yeah, and it looks so cute again. I got these shoes to go with. I was just walking in to see it. I got my sister and my nephew helping me. And they're such a big help. We gotta find somewhere else that's lit up though for it to make these shots actually worth it. So I'll come back. You guys see where I end up finding. Hopefully it's something close out. of the park where I'm at right now, and it turned out really good. My sister and them helped me. Back up, hold on. I gotta put my shoes on. Yeah, so I just got finished doing that. 1 second. Aren't you tired, sir? I love you. You're adorable today. I know you watching too. Follow me or watch the video actually tomorrow once stay right. And this was a fast makeup. Like my eyebrows are popping. I gotta do them again. Let's do them early because I'm glad I didn't book the run because they wanted to come and it's just too much. Okay guys, turn it this way. So I just got finished recording the rest of the video. I'm at the park. I'm leaving the park now. Big ups to my sister and my bro Darren for coming out and helping me with the project. Now it's just left for me to edit. It's really humid out here. So I was like, I did my makeup and everything. I gotta definitely make it worth it and come out and get some shots because I was a little late and it got dark. So I found a lit up park. This is like perfect. Look at that. Darren, say hi to my YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
This is bro. He came out to show support.
What's up?
Hey, hologram. Everybody sit back. Mama Deuce is back in the car. What's her name was like? The girl with the ex for the 4 quarters, she's still around. She said, yeah, since I saw you earlier. I accidentally slammed, I didn't slam, I rolled up the window.
That shit is broke.
And her hand got stuck in the window. So she's saying that it's broken. I don't think it's broken. Let me see.
On my birthday night, like, I can't have broke fingers for my birthday. Oh my god.
Just something to take your good hand. Let's see it.
Shit is broke, bro.
It looks fine to me. Alright, roll the window up. Everybody hands inside. That smoke definitely got up my nose. I smell, I doubt I have any hair in my nose, but whatever remnants is in there, it's stuck. Yep. Oh, excuse me. So I'm actually day 2 trying to do this freaking video. Yesterday I came out too late, so today I just made sure I stepped out earlier so I can come out here and capture the sand on my feet and me stepping in the water and the actual beach scene while the sunlight is still up. And I think it turned out really good. Now I'm on my way to my sister's house because she wanted me to make spinach and artichoke dip with her. I'm gonna make that. I ended up getting a room today. This is day 2 because I wasn't able to do the hotel scene yesterday, but I'm gonna try to do it today. That's why I got the room tonight. So just hang in there with me, guys. Stick in there, and I'm on my next destination. How I want to actually place the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing on my body, because it is kind of like see-through and form-fitting to my body, so you can see the whole silhouette. Cause this shirt ain't really giving me no justice right now. It's all tucked in, but I'm comfortable right now. Okay, guys, I got the glitter, that pop juice, and I'm just literally gonna, oops. It's everywhere. That's how I like it. So that's how I'm gonna start the video off. What you know about it. Okay, so I literally like this look. I think I might do the video covered in glitter. My whole body. Just cover up the nipples. Cover up the kitty cat. What you think? I think it's gonna look bomb.
Wished and I hope that you get it right. You should know who you have right beside your side. If it ain't Rosie, the baddest bitch I know. Until the end, it's only me. So I keep it top quality, top quality, top quality. Anything you want, you can cop off me. How much you spending? Is it more than I'm bringing in? Nah, nah.